vlogs, it's Belinda, Selene, and welcome back to my channel. We are in sunny California. It is beautiful, there's no snow on the ground, and it is 60 degrees, which makes me so happy. So I am here with the Pixi team. So I'm gonna show you guys like some of the new products that they released, and I'm also gonna share with you guys this makeup look. I've been long overdue for a makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna share with you guys today's look because we're gonna be getting ready together. I mean, I'm already done, but I'm gonna show you guys the process. So the makeup, and then also where everything is from my outfit, because I think it is so cute. And now let's get into it. Alright, so I just woke up about 30 minutes ago. I put on my contacts, brushed my teeth, and I'm wearing the Detoxify Depuffing Eye Patches from Pixi. They feel really, really nice because they were cold. So when I apply them on, it like woke me up a little bit. I like that. And I just put them on for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to take them off now. I'm just going to rub in the product a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and get started. Begin with our foundation. So yesterday I was so excited, like seriously guys, because I went to the new boutique that they opened up at Westfield Mall. It was so beautiful. Pixi does such a good job with their decor whenever they are like at events. I remember the first time that I saw like a Pixi booth was when I went to Generation Beauty, and it looks so dreamy and so cute. It's so like feminine and floral and like all natural, because they're known for using like really good natural ingredients in their products that are good for your skin. So I feel like that's something that shows well within their brand. So if you guys ever get a chance to stop by the mall, you guys should go check it out. And there's like a photo op that you can take with like a flower wall behind you, which I love. It is so weird. I don't have like a big mirror with me, so everything that I do has to be through this tiny little baby mirror. So I had to use two hands to put on my concealer. So I'm just adding concealer to the bottom of my eyes to like really brighten them up, and then down the bridge of my nose to contour my nose. Now that we have done, we're going to set it in with some setting powder. Now whenever I bake, I leave it on there just for a few seconds, because otherwise for some reason it looks really white in pictures. That may be a problem. I know a lot of people bake for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It doesn't work for everybody or everybody's skin type, so I look crazy. As soon as it's on, I take it off, because otherwise it can give you a white cast, and in pictures that is not cute. It doesn't always work for everybody. I don't know how some people bake for like 10-15 minutes. I've tried that before. It just does not work for me. So I got some new products from the store yesterday when we were there, and they gave us the cutest little caddy. Let me show you guys. This is it right here. It's so cute. It says Pixi, and then it has my name on it right there. It's so adorable. I loved it. They let us pick out whatever we wanted from the store and put it in here for us to keep, and I went a little crazy. I felt so greedy because my little cart was full, and then they're like, no, keep adding more, whatever you want. We'll just put it in like in a bigger bag. And I was like, oh my goodness. It was really, really cool and awesome. It was fun. I mean, you literally got to pick whatever you wanted. I wanted to walk away with the whole store, but I was like, Belinda, relax, like you're getting really greedy. But they were like, no, keep adding stuff. All right, so I'm going to be using this for my brows. It is the Endless Brow Gel Pencil, and this one is in the shade medium. Let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, it does match. Okay, perfect. I was afraid it wasn't going to match. Okay, I am very happy with it. I like the wax. That's my favorite thing, because then it's going to keep your eyebrows in place, and I feel like that's something that I kind of struggle with sometimes on the longer hairs. This is one of their new palettes too, and I used it yesterday and I really like these two colors. I feel like they really complement my skin tone well. So I'm gonna use them again. I just need to find my brush. All right, so the first color that I'm going to take is going to be this, yeah, this one right here. And you know what? I should probably prime my eyes. Let me prime my eyes really quick. Alright, so this is the first color that I'm going to be using, and I just like to put it all over my eye. I like things simple and easy. I don't want to make things too complicated. So I'm going to put it all over my eyelid and a little bit above. Alright, now that we have that on our eyes, I want it a little bit darker in the crease, so I'm gonna grab that other color right here. Go. It's so hard to see from this little baby mirror. Alright, so now I do want some definition in like the corner of my eyes. So I'm gonna take a slightly darker shade, probably this one right here, and I'm going to just add it to the corner. To wing my eyes, I'm going to be using the Whaley and Pixi collaboration, and she has this really cute kit together, which when this collection came out, they were sold out. So I'm so glad that I got my hands on it now, and I love the colors that she chose for her palettes. They're so pretty. They're right up my alley. These are the colors that I love. I want a little bit of this like rose gold color, so I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that and put it on my eye, right on the lid, because I think that'll look really pretty. It's like right on top. Yeah, it like lighten it up a little bit. This is a black liner duo, so on one side is the felt tip liner, which is what I'm going to be using, and then if you also use a pencil liner, this is the other end of it, which I think is pretty cool. Usually I'll use this if I have lashes on and I want to do the tight line underneath my eyes, so that way it can connect both the falsies and your lashes together. So I'm going to be using this one for right now and then see if I need it afterwards. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my falsies. Our lashes are on, and I'm going to be using this palette right here. This is the Whaley and the Pixi collaboration, and I'm just going to put some eyeshadow underneath the eyes. That way it kind of evens out. It like balances out the eye look. So I'm just gonna take a smaller brush, probably like this one. No, I could use that one for something else. Where's that little baby brush I'm looking for? Okay, so here it is. Okay, so they gave me this little trio pack that I picked up from the boutique, and it is called the Endless Silky Eye Pen Trio. So they have a black shade, they have like a really pretty like rose gold shade, and then they have like the like a skin colored one that you can use to highlight or to make your eyes look bigger and brighter. And you know what? I think I'm gonna use that too. And then I kind of want to put on the other one, but I'm not sure. Should I? Let's see how it looks. And now that we are all done with our eyes, I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit. And I'm going to be using the Pixi Sheer Sunshine Summer Glow palette. This I got a while ago. And I like that it has like all of these like really warm tones. Very subtle. So excited for today because I feel like I have a super cute outfit to share with you guys. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I had to do some last minute shopping. I literally thought that it was going to be a little bit colder here for some reason. I don't know why. And so I brought a bunch of fall clothes. And then when I showed up to the event yesterday, everyone had like summer, spring clothes, and everyone looked so cute in their florals. And I was like, oh my goodness, okay, I totally need to like rethink what I'm going to be wearing today since we're going to be taking like more pictures. So I went shopping yesterday since we were already at the mall, and I got some really cute stuff. So I'll show you guys what I'm gonna wear. And then in the center of my nose, I'm just going to grab this one in the center. Really pretty highlight. Ooh, okay, I like that. All right, so one of the girls was wearing this highlighter yesterday, and I fell in love when I saw her wear it. I'm like, okay, I definitely have to have it. Before we put on that highlighter though, I'm going to be using this blush right here in the center, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks. You know what, I'm gonna mix these two because I like the warmness in this color. So I'll grab this, tap some off. Okay, there we go. Hopefully it's not too much. Let's see. Oh no, it's perfect. Oh yes. Yeah, that one. Alright, let's put some on, let's put some on. Oh my gosh, I love it. And a little bit underneath the brow. All right, we are almost done. We just have the lips left, and I'm going to be using the Makeup Fixing Mist, and this is with rose water and green tea. So you don't have to shake it or anything. I just want to make sure that it's spraying. Okay. This is literally the exact same color as my lips. I'm going to be adding the Matte Last Liquid Lip, and this one is in the shade Evening Rose. So let's put that on top. And what I always like to do is, let me go get a tissue really quick. Alright, what I like to do is I like to grab like a tissue, and that way it'll take out like anything that's might bleed or anything. I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair yet. I don't know how much time I have left, but let me show you guys my outfit. Okay, this is so cute. Hopefully it fits me well because I tried on the medium and it was so big on the shoulders and on the sides. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get a small, and it looks like it'll fit good, but I'm usually a size medium. We got some really cute nude heels, even though they told us to wear comfortable shoes. I'm bringing those, and then in my purse I'm going to bring some tennis shoes just because I want to make sure I get some cute pictures. And then we have some really cute earrings, super summery, and then I also got like a blush belt. I feel like everything that I brought is pink or black. Yep. Alright, so I'm going to be grabbing these pants because I think they look so cute. I could also potentially wear these. We'll think about it. And then I am also going to bring this jacket just so that I have an option of a different outfit in the picture, but also because it might be chilly. So we got that in check. Right, so here is my outfit, and I think it's super cute and like spring-like with light pastel colors so that I actually match the Pixi settings now because I noticed everything was like super girly and pink, and I was like, okay, that's totally me, but I was trying to do more fall than like summer and spring outfits. So this is still like a warm outfit, and we still have like touches of like light color. So I think I did a pretty good job. If you guys want to see in detail everything that we did, I did vlog on my vlog channel, Belinda's Life. So if you guys want to head on over there and you guys can check out exactly what we did, because those videos are a little bit longer, and if you guys want to see more like behind the scenes, then you guys can check that out. Alright, so that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys want to see more like get ready with me videos or more makeup tutorials, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.